say hi friends, my voice gets funny. Hi friends. Hi friends. Okay, this is better. Welcome to my channel and thank you for subscribing. A lot of people subscribed to me the last time. I am grateful. Like seriously, thank you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, don't be an EP. Hey, go and subscribe. It's free. Don't be an EP. Just subscribe. Anywho, welcome to today's class. And as you can see, I keep moving this around. It's my notes. I make notes for these videos, you know, because I need to make sure that what I'm teaching you is correct, okay? And I need to make sure that I come prepared. I don't just come and just I'm like, what's going on? What's going on? So I come prepared, you know. I take time outside of this to get my stuff done, and then I make the videos, okay? Anywho, thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for watching. And I hope you watch to the end, and I hope you subscribe. But today we're going to learn common words, frequent words used in Igbo language. There are words you hear all the time. Some of them are going to be phrases, but most of them are going to be words. Because remember, this is beginners Igbo class. I can't just assume that people know this already. I have to teach like you don't know. So that's why most of them are words. And I'm going to teach you how to pronounce them. I'm going to teach you what it means. Let's get started. Today, the first word we have, sorry, my nails are like all over the place, but the first word you have is still all over the place. But anyway, take 3. First word. It's bad. Just the first, it's still showing. Okay, the first word we have today is Kiddo. Kiddo. What does Kiddo mean? I'm pretty sure most of you have heard Kiddo. But what does Kiddo mean? Kiddo means, how are you? It's pronounced as Kiddo. So you see your friend and they say, I'm your friend, my name is Chidima, or you call me Chichi, whatever you call me as your friend. You see me, you're like, you give me a hug, you're like, Chidima Kiddo. And I'm like, Anywho, we're gonna stick with Kiddo. So Kiddo is a very polite and caring word. You can use it for anybody. Like you can use it for your mom, your boss, your little kids, your siblings, anybody. Kiddo is just a very polite word that you can use for anybody. But Kiddo, Chidima Kiddo, Chichi Kiddo, Kenneth Kiddo, Kennedy Kiddo, anybody Kiddo. Kiddo means how are you? So I'm asking you today, Kiddo. I hope you're good. The next word I have on my list is Biko. Biko. With this whole thing, I have to be dramatic because I have to say it the way people say it. Biko. Biko. Biko means Biko means please. Please. When you're saying please, sometimes it's not used in the context of like please. It's used in like please give me my money. Oh, I don't want trouble. Give me my money, please. So people say Biko yeme gum, like the real meaning of Biko is please. Or you can also say please forgive me. Please forgive me. Biko forgive me. Biko forgive me. So Biko means please. So when you're in trouble with your parents, you did something and you're apologizing and they're not listening, you go down on your knees and say, Daddy Biko. And that's going to change it, hopefully. Hopefully. But Biko means please. So we've learned Kiddo, we learned Biko. Kiddo, Biko. The next word is Indo. 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 So when I say Indo, I put my tongue up. Indo, Indo, Indo. Like I feel like my tongue automatically goes up. So I just wanted to teach anybody who's having a hard time saying that. It's Indo, Indo. You can also try to hum it, Indo, but that's not correct. Indo is correct. Indo means sorry. Indo, Indo, Indo. Biko, Indo, please, sorry. Biko, Indo, Biko. when you do something really, 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 really bad, and you have to ask for forgiveness. Say Biko, 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 Biko. I hope you're learning. I hope you're saying it after me and not just watching. Yeah. I hope you guys are just practicing it with me. The next word I have is oge. 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 Oge is time. What time is it? It can also mean time in the context of like a period. So it could mean the period of time. You know what I mean? Oge. 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 The next one is ndewo. Ndewo. I think my last two videos, I said that word. I said ndewo on my last video. I'm not sure. But ndewo means hello. Greetings. Ndewo. Ndewo no. Ndewo no. Ndewo no. Like if you see a lot of older people, and let's say you come home and there's a bunch of aunties and uncles in your house, and you're not trying to deal with them, and you just want to say hi and walk away. You know, when you say Kiddo, that means you're asking, how are you? You're going to get a response, okay? But you just want to excuse yourself. You say, uncle, auntie, ndewo, or uncle, or you just say ndewo no. You know, and that's ndewo, they will respond ndewo, and then you just run to the bedroom. So to avoid communication, if you're one of those people. Or when I start my YouTube video, I usually say ndewo no, and that's also me just saying hello. You know, I don't require a response from you, but if you want, you can say ndewo back. The next one is bia. People say this a lot. Bia, bia, chidima, bia. Bia means come. Chidima, bieba, bia eba, bia eba means come here. Come here before. No, not that. That's not true. Okay, let's go back to normal. Bia means come. Bia eba means come here. I don't know why I keep doing that for come here. But bieba means come here. The next one is emaila. Emaila. So when you apologize, say bikondo, and then the person say it's okay. You say emaila. That's thank you. Emaila. Daddy emaila. Mommy emaila. Chidima emaila. Whoever emaila. Emaila is thank you. Emaila. And I know if you know that Nigerian song that says emaila. Okay. Okaka. Okay, now let's get back to this. Thank you. Another one is okay, let's go back to it. Somebody say Kiddo. When somebody say Kiddo, what do you respond? Ndimma. Adimma. Whatever you say. It depends on how you want to say it. You can say ndimma. You can say adimma. Ndimma. Adimma. Ndimma. Adimma. Ndimma. Adimma. Ndimma. Adimma. It basically means I'm good. Ndimma. Adimma. Same thing. It means I'm good. When you want to say bye, like somebody comes and they're leaving and you want to say bye, you say kemesia. Kemesia. That means later. Well, I don't want to translate word for word what it means, but I'm just going to tell you the, literal meaning. Kemesia means bye. Ka emesia. Ka emesia. Ka emesia. Ka emesia. Kachifo. 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 I'm having a lot of fun doing this, okay? So don't get carried away, but I have a lot of energy too. So kachifo means good night. Ka emesia means bye bye. Kachifo. Kachifo. Okay, it's It's not night. It's still 2 o'clock. Kachibo. Ebola chi. Ebola chi. Ebola chi. That means good morning. Good morning, Chidima. Ebola chi, Chidima. Chidima, Ebola chi. Good morning, Chidima. That's nice, huh? I like Igbo language. Of course I like it. It's my language. But Ebola chi. Okay, if you hear any music, I apologize. It's my Mexican neighbors. They're just blasting music. I can't tell them to stop because I'm trying to make a YouTube video. But I just have to give you a heads up. Ebola chi means good morning. Ego. Igbo people like ego. Ego means money. Nye me ego, give me money. Nye me ego, give me money. Nye me ego, ego, money. Oche, the chair that I'm sitting on. Oche is chair. Oche. Oche. Norodu means sit down. Norodu. Some people say nodiodu. Different dialects, okay? They say nodiodu. But norodu. Norodu. Nodiodu. Noro. Odu. Say it's noro. Odu. Okay. Nodi. Odu. Norodu noche means sit down on the chair. Oche. 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 Norodu. Norodu. Nodiodu. Nodiodu. Norodu noche. Nodiodu noche. Efe. Efe. Your cloth is efe. 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 Aha. Ahambo. Aha. Aha means name. Aha is name. Ahambo. Ahambo. Somebody say, Kedu aha gi? Kedu aha gi? You say, Ahambo. Ahambo. Ahambo Chidima. Giwa kwano means you. What about you? Somebody say, Kedu aha gi? Kedu aha gi? You say, Ahambo Chidima. Giwa kwano. You don't have to say, Gino kwa aha gi. You can just say, Giwa kwano. Then they will say, Ahambo Ugochi. I hope that didn't confuse. Let me say it again. Let me say it one more time. It's Kedu aha gi. Kedu aha gi. That's saying, what is your name? Kedu aha gi. Or you say, Gini bu aha gi. Gini bu aha gi. Kedu aha gi. Gini bu aha gi. This is the most common way people say Gini bu aha gi. Okay? That's the most common way. It's really rare for someone to say Kedu aha gi. But in case they do, it's Gini bu aha gi. Kedu aha gi. You say, aha mbo Chidima. Gini giwa kwano. Giwa kwano. Giwa kwano. Giwa kwano. Giwa kwano. Giwa kwano. That's what about you? What about you? Ahia. Ahia is the market. Now, that could apply for grocery store too. I'm going to the market. I'm my guy here. Going to the grocery store. I'm my guy grocery store. Or you can say, I'm my guy here. I'm my guy here. Ahia, 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 ahia. Miri, 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 miri. Water. Nyem miri, nyem miri. Kunyere mumiri, kunyere mumiri, nye mumiri, kunyere mumiri, nye mumiri, okay, kunyere mumiri. Miri is water. Nye mumiri is give me water. Kunyere mumiri is pour water for me. Pour water for me. Don't forget. Nri, nri. Again, go back to Indo. Make sure your tongue is going up when you're pronouncing it. You know, there are words that you have to twist or do some certain stuff to get it right. So, nri, 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 nri. When you're saying it, your tongue needs to be up. Nri. Nri means food. Nri, food. Nyemunri, give me food. Nyemunri, give me food. The next one is eze. Eze. Eze, which is teeth. However, there's another, the same word can be pronounced as eze. Eze is not the same as eze. Eze is teeth. Eze is king. Eze. 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 Teeth. Eze. Eze. King. Eze anyị. Eze anyị. Our king. Eze anyị. Our king. Eze, my teeth. Ofe means soup. Ofe means soup. Ị chọrọ iri ofe? Do you want to eat soup? Ị chọrọ iri ofe? Do you want to eat soup, girl? Bilie, get up. Bilie, get up. Bilie, get up. Bilie. That's what bilie means. Guinea. Guinea, what? Guinea means what? That's why when I said, people might say, Kiddo hieba fage or Kiddo hieba hage. But then the most common way of saying is Guinea boa hage. Guinea, what? That's what Guinea is what? What is your name? Guinea boa hage. That's why I referenced that in the beginning. Guinea boa hage. What is your name? Guinea is what? What is that? Guinea boya. Guinea boya means what is that? Guinea boya, what is that? Guinea ka okuru. Guinea ka okuru. What did he say or what did she say? Guinea ka omere. What did she or he do? Guinea. Chineke. Chineke. Chineke is God. So depending on how you say it, it's like Chineke mere me ebere. Means saying God have mercy on me. Chineke mere mu ebere. Say God have mercy on me. Chineke. You see, God oh. Depends on how you say it. Ekele. Ekele means greetings. Greetings. Some of the songs, Igbo songs, it says Ekele dirigi. When it says saying thank you, greetings, the way you say receive glory, majesty, ekele is basically greetings. Ekele dirigi. You're rendering greetings onto that person. Negodi. Negodi. Negodi means look at. Look at. So yeah, negodi this nonsense girl. Negodi. They go to this nonsense. They go to this stupid food. They go to this. It means look at. Negodi. Or you say negodi. I've never heard somebody use negodi in a very polite manner. I've never heard that. Like you say when you say something like let's say somebody gave you a pen. Okay. A pen. And you wanna say, look at the pen they gave me. You say lee ihe ọ zụtara m or lee look at you're saying basically look at what he bought for me. Lee ihe ọ zụtara m. But if you say negodi or legodi pen o nyere m, it's like saying look at this nonsense. So I haven't heard anybody say negodi in a polite or calm manner. But negodi means look at. So if somebody is saying nonsense, you say negodi. Negodi this foolish human being. Which would translate to negodoni beribe. Negodoni beriba. Negodoni beriba. Odiegu means interesting, wonders. Odiegu. Odiegu, interesting. Interesting. You hear somebody say, interesting, wonder shall never end. It basically odiegu, interesting, basically. Osigini means saying what is the person saying? Osigini, gini kokun. That's another way to say it. Osigini, 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 Omeregini, what did they do? Osigini, what did they say? Your phone is ekwenti. Ekwenti. Nyem ekwenti. 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 Your shoe is apple. Apple. Okay, that's a lot of words thrown at you. I'm gonna stop right here. There's so many words I have on my list, but I'm gonna stop today because the video is getting too long and I just want you to be able to learn from the ones that I've already said. I know I said Kiddo, Biko, Indo, Oge, Ndewo, Bia, Imela, Ndima, Mesia, Kachifo, Ebola, Ego, Ochie. We learned a lot today. My favorite is Equent. Equent. Anywho, I hope this video was helpful again. And next week we're going to get more into. I haven't decided what I wanted to do next week. I have 3 options, but I'll leave you at that. I will definitely next week will be really good lessons. I can promise you that. But today I just wanted to do something fun, something everybody wants to learn. You know, new words in Igbo. I hope you learned today. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. So you watching this video one time is not going to do it. You got to watch it over and over. You have to practice. You have to write it down. You have to practice. And again, as usual, if you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. Like it, thumbs up, subscribe, please, if you haven't already. And share the video. I will see you in my next video. And we can talk about Equent. Bye.
Animo, Onyama jazilalo ibenu nenugu. Anu mojali